I'm Denise Flora, and I have with me Annie today, and she is going to be learning to play soccer. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, what you're going to do, as soon as she comes over towards the ball, you're going to click her and treat her. What we want her to eventually do is to actually touch the ball and then move it a little bit if she will. Okay? So go ahead and try to get her to come to the ball.
Soccer.
Good. Okay, if she touches it.
Soccer. Soccer.
Good.
Soccer. 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 Good girl.
Okay, very good. She's doing very well.
Soccer.
Good. See if she'll touch it with her paw again. Good job. Okay, again.
Soccer.
Very nice.
Soccer. Soccer. Girl.
See if she'll push it this way.
Soccer.
Push it.
Girl. She moved it a little bit.
She moved it.
Soccer. 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 Good girl. Soccer. 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 Soccer.
Good job. Very good. See if she'll do that again.
Soccer. 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 Might have to go back a little. Soccer. Girl. Amy. Soccer. Soccer. Soccer.
Okay, well I think that she's probably getting a little tired with that right now. We'll stop and we'll try again later.
Okay.
Okay? And then we'll have several more classes where we'll do this, and before long she'll be pushing it across the floor.
All right.
Okay? Thank you.